the state of Iowa doesn't get to determine who goes and who stays. That's the immigration is a federal purview. And so my understanding is where the first tranche of where the federal government would like to target is those persons that have been in country here with criminal records. State of Iowa, we can't deport anyone, and nor can we enter into immigration discussions. I mean, we're just not going to advocate for that. So I would imagine that once the Homeland Security decides to come up with a plan as to how they're going to go about targeting those persons in our country not legally with criminal records, then they'll probably start to in-brief the state of Iowa. I do know anecdotally that there are a substantial amount of people here in this state with criminal records, and there's a very real concern as to if we even have enough jail space, which I think from a pure public safety standpoint, that should be pretty concerning if the federal government, and again, they're working through their own system first, but just anecdotally, it might be a situation where we don't have enough jail space, not only for U.S. citizens violating crimes, but to bring in all the individuals there. So I think it's going to be a process there as to how this all goes about. But if we have, I can't say that I've actually heard an official number there, but some of the numbers that I have heard, it is concerning, I think from a public safety standpoint, how the state can actually support the federal government to get those individuals out with a criminal record. We should be doing that for all of our fellow neighbors out here. Related to the, I think the income or having a job or something like that. And again, this is a problem that has been decades in the making on immigration. And the federal government needs to get its act in gear and to come up with a normalized system. But I don't think just because you got across the southern border and you have not been identified by the federal government, and I get it, if you have a job, but I don't think it's because you got here and you got a job undetected means that it's home free, right? Like, we are a nation of laws, and there has to be an organized system out there. So, but I guess to circle around here, I would imagine, once Homeland Security tries to have an organized footprint across the country, we'll probably start to hear more. But I haven't heard much of it other than we do have a substantial amount of people here with criminal records in the state.